So we're waiting for a taxi to come. Taxis usually should have a red plate. So just gotta wait and wait. There's no exact time as to when it's gonna come. It just comes when it comes. There's quite a few of them, so when we do see one, we'll flag it down and then be on our merry way to Black River. Oh, nearly missed it. Full. Be full. It's full. I'm so busy videoing that I nearly missed the taxi. Oh man, it was full, so we didn't stop. And this is why I didn't really want to come to Black River. I don't want to go anywhere. I don't want to go anywhere. It sounds like so bad, but I just didn't want to go because I have to wait so long for a taxi. You don't know when the taxi's gonna come, and you know, taxis ram-packed so you can't get in, and you know, it takes probably almost an hour to get there because you waited so long, and then the journey's so long, and it's so hot, and it sounds like I'm moaning a lot. It sounds like I'm moaning a lot, but I'm going to take you on a pleasant journey to Black River. Moaning ends right here. Nope. Yay, here's another one. Full. Nope. Bye bye, baby. So we finally got a taxi. Right. I tried to capture the place where you get to go see the alligators in Black River. I can't even remember the name of it, how terrible am I? But because I wasn't at the window side, I couldn't get it, but I will get proper footage for you soon. Yep. Looking for some fruit. Are you selling?
Which one you want? Choose the one you want.
How you selling?
A different price.
Oh.
3, 4, 5 different price.
So it goes. All right, so we've got 200. I'll take 2 around that size. How do you sell you? Get it.
So 2, and this is 150.
150. Are they sweet?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. They'll be gone in no time. Alright, I'll take some of them. Very sweet. Where?
How much you want?
Yeah, give me 2 bunches, cause. What about your papaya? Yeah, you sell the papaya.
200 a pound.
You got any that's not too soft?
This is firm. And which one again?
Just one, I think.
Just one?
Yeah, because how much? I'm on a budget.
I understand. Go back up. This is 1 pound.
Oh, is it?
1 pound.
200 a pound. Yeah, that's fine. I should get one more.
That one's fine.
One's fine. Your callaloo, how you sell it?
200 a bag.
I'll take a bag, please. Anything else? I normally go to the supermarket, but I thought I'd try the market instead. What did I say? Pineapple, where's that? Where? You got pineapple?
No, I don't have any pineapple.
Where did you see that? So is that 600? 600 for £2, which works out what, £3?
2 pounds.
No, I'm trying to convert it into English money. Yeah. Wow. Okay, I am absolutely done. And then we'll go to the supermarket and get me out of here. We've got some clothes stores. Just little small market in Black River. What I do normally get from the supermarket. I thought I'd come here instead. Four buys.
One girl. One girl.
Yeah.
Boy, they resemble you though. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna look for that, you know.
Just the goat casually walking in the town. I do love it, I can't lie. Right, I told him I brought some yesterday and he's still putting it in my basket, and this is why.
Cows.
I've never tried this before.
It's like cow's milk juice and cow's milk juice too.
I'll try for $160. But this is why I don't like coming shopping with the kids and prefer to just come on my own. So we're in Black River supermarket. Got what? This is what I mean now. But I've not got pepper for a long time. I need mayonnaise as well.
Only oil.
Yes. Apples. Dominic want me to get apple as well. That's true. Right, go on. You can cook it. So that was our short journey to Black River to get a meal for the day. There's our fruit, what we got. I'm not sure if we got ripped off or the price was just right. Sometimes when I convert it for the YouTube video, it makes me think it's not as bad as I thought it was. But thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe.